Good morning, everybody. Happy 4th of July. Nancy here. Today we're going to be talking about some nautical ribbon. I'm going to show you some ribbon, and you can find all these in my store, and I will put a link down below, and you can check out this video and others if you like on my YouTube channel, Star Premier Designs. Alright, we're going to start off today with this mermaid ribbon, and this is a 1-inch. Isn't that cute? And it's got the purple, and it's like a lime green and a teal blue with the white background, and it's white on the back, and that is a 1-inch. Alright, how about some anchor ribbon? This is a 5/8 inch anchor ribbon, and it's got a royal blue, or the anchor colors, and white on the back, and it's 5/8. And we also have it in a royal blue background with white anchors. It's white on the back. Okay. And those are decent size anchors. And I have it in a red with white anchors. Again, this is 5/8 inch, white anchors, white on the back. Right, now let's do something that has some more colors in it. Now this again is a 5/8 inch pattern, and you've got chevrons and lines and anchors and ship's wheels. Got some ships here, got some ships there, and anchors in pink and blue. Let's see how many different patterns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different patterns before it starts to repeat itself. White on the back. Right, now let's get into some, how about some? You can either say these are lobsters, which, I mean, that's what they look like, or you could say that they're, well, no, they're not what I'm thinking. I'm thinking crawfish, but they're not crawfish, they're lobsters. And this is a 1-inch pattern with white on the back. Very cute. Great for summertime. And let's see, we have some more nautical with the anchors, chevrons, dots, ships. Here we got ships wheels, anchors, stars, stripes, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different patterns before it starts to repeat itself. White on the back, and this is a 1-inch pattern. Here are the anchors, and this is a royal blue with the white anchors, and this is a 7/8 inch. Let me double check. Yes, this is a 7/8 inch pattern with the royal blue. I know it kind of looks like it might be black, but it's royal blue, white on the back. And now we've got some more. We've got lighthouses with boats and steamboats and sailboats, anchors, ship's wheels, life preservers, lifesavers, I guess you want to call them. And they're out on the ocean. And this is like a lime green and blue. I like how the lighthouse has got the checks on it. And you've got a white background, and this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Very cute. And they're out sailing in the sea. So now we have pink and white stripes with royal blue anchors. I know they look like they might be black, but they're not. They're really dark blue with a white background, and this is a 1-inch pattern. Okay, let's see. I don't have much of this one left. I do have more ordered. This is a really nice red, white, and blue. Stars and ships and lighthouses with chevrons and stripes, dots. Here we have ocean waves. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different patterns in this before it starts to repeat itself. Right? White on the back. I do have some ribbons that are colored on the back, and that's why I like to show you the back side. Okay, this is a 1-inch, and we've got I Love the Sea, and you've got a little seahorse there in the heart. You've got hearts with seahorses, the kissing seahorses, in the smaller size and the bigger size, and the hearts with the anchors in them, with a real busy background. Very cute, and it's white on the back. And if you know of anybody that loves seahorses, there you go. How about some little crabs? Got some pink crabs with blue eyeballs. How cute. Little bug eyes. All their little legs. And this is a 1-inch pattern. White background. And it's just a continuous bunch of little crabs. Cute. And how about some sailboats? Now this is pink and dark blue. It almost looks like it's black, but it's that dark. Pink and dark blue, the white background. This is a 1-inch pattern. White on the background. Okay, just continuous. And how about some more anchors? Got a lot of anchors. This is got some tape on there, I guess. This is white. It's a 1-inch with these bright pink anchors. Back of it's white. Just a continuous pattern of pink anchors. How about some ship's wheels? These are a dark blue, white background, back is white. And these are this is a 7/8 inch ribbon. Okay, and they look black, but they're a dark blue. And let's see, we'll get a different color anchors here. We've got a blue background with different size and different color anchors. Yellow, red, blue, light blue, dark blue, solid red. Cute white down the back. And this is a 1-inch pattern. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 different anchors before the pattern starts to repeat itself. So that's a pretty busy pattern there. Now we've got some boats, sailboats, starfish, ship's wheels, anchor. And this is, let me double check, this is a 7/8 inch pattern, white on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different patterns prints on there before the pattern starts to repeat itself. This is a cute one. It's a little pirates. Little pirates, got all these little girls. And they've got on their little pirate hats and their eye patches with their pirate ship in the background there. We've got all kinds of different things going on in the background with the pirate ship. White on the back. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. So we've got 1, 2, 3 different little girls and the ship. Right, but we have red with white anchors. This is a 7/8 inch. And see, it's red on the back, so it's a solid red ribbon with the white. And these are above. You can actually feel it, so it's not a part of the ribbon. It's been placed on top of the ribbon, heat pressed into there. Okay, and that's 7/8 inch, if I didn't tell you. And then we have blue anchors, yeah. Blue anchors, dark blue, royal blue, and with white on the back. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And let's see, and then I've got this one. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. I showed this before in the 5/8 inch with the chevrons and the stripes and the ship's wheels and the anchors. And again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 different designs before the pattern starts to repeat itself. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Well, thank you all for joining me on this 4th of July. I hope you and your family have a wonderful time. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and hit that like button, ring that bell, and you won't miss any further videos that I put out. I'm going to be putting out a Halloween fall video. Well, I think I'll start with the Halloween, and then we'll go into the fall, or vice versa, whatever. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Love ya. Bye-bye.